Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Fun Express is probably one of the most versatile and exciting product lines available for anyone looking to add a touch of fun and festivity to their lives, whether for parties, holidays, or just everyday enjoyment, offering a vast array of items that cater to diverse tastes and occasions, ensuring that you can always find something unique and delightful to enhance any event or gift. Number 5. Fun Express Washable Tempera Paint Set, 10 bright colors. Introducing a premium washable paint set designed for young artists. It features 10 vibrant colors in easy squeeze bottles, perfect for all their creative endeavors. Our paint is made with a safe, non-toxic formula that meets strict standards. It cleans up easily from skin and clothing with soap and water, ensuring worry-free art time. This complete set includes a rainbow of colors in durable, easy dispensing bottles. They are perfect for little hands to use during any craft project. This versatile paint is ideal for a multitude of uses. From classroom projects and parties to camps and after-school fun, it's the perfect choice. Get a bulk value pack of professional quality washable paint trusted by educators. It's an economical choice for both classroom supplies and home learning activities. What we like. This washable paint set offers a fantastic range of 10 vibrant colors in easy-to-use squeeze bottles. Its non-toxic and washable formula makes cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a safe and fun way for kids to explore their creativity without the stress of permanent stains, this is the perfect choice for art projects at home or in the classroom. What people say. The product is well made and sturdy. It's a great size for small hands to hold and play with. The colors are vibrant and appealing to children. Number 4. Fun Express Polka-Dot Beach Balls, 1 dozen. Get ready for summer fun with these classic polka-dot beach balls. They're perfect for the beach, pool, or backyard parties. This pack includes a dozen beach balls, ensuring there's enough for everyone to enjoy. They come in assorted vibrant colors to add extra excitement. These inflatable balls are ideal for a variety of outdoor activities. Bring them to your next gathering for guaranteed entertainment. They arrive deflated for convenient storage and transport. Simply inflate them when you're ready to play. Each set features a mix of bright and cheerful colors. You'll love the variety they bring to your games. With 12 balls in each order, this is a fantastic value for stocking up on summer essentials. Enjoy hours of active play. What we like. Get a dozen of these fun inflatable polka-dot beach balls, perfect for outdoor play and parties. They come in assorted vibrant colors and are a great size for tossing around. If you need bulk party favors or simple, classic fun for a summer gathering or beach event, these are an excellent and affordable option. What people say. They serve their purpose as fun little beach balls, they're durable, they're vibrantly colored, and they don't leak. Blew them up 2 days before party and over a week later those left were still being bounced around the yard. The rest of them really took some abuse from the kids or survived well. Number 3. Fun Express Ice Cream Cone Shooters. Looking for a unique addition to your party supplies? These shooters are sure to be a hit with your guests. They pack a punch of fun for any occasion. Give them away as fun party favors at your next flavorful gathering. They are a great way to add a special touch to any celebration. Set them out on your party tables for guests to play with. They are also perfect for hiding in goodie bags for a fun surprise. These toys feature a simple push lever mechanism to shoot the foam ball. It's easy for everyone to enjoy the fun. You'll receive a set of 12 shooters, providing plenty of fun for everyone. They are made from durable plastic cones and soft foam balls. What we like. These ice cream cone shooters are a unique and fun novelty toy, perfect for party favors or VBS supplies. Each set includes 12 shooters with a classic cone design. If you're looking for a quirky and engaging party favor that kids will love to play with, these are a great pick for any themed celebration. What people say. My little ice cream shooters are individually wrapped and are quite large. The description says 5 and the details say 4, so I wasn't sure what to expect, but these are the length of my hand. The yellow is soft, the other colors are bright. It was a very pleasant surprise. I opened one and popped the ball and all kinds of nostalgia and childlike giddiness came with it. They all worked just fine and we were so glad to have the ice cream attached by a string, so scoops were not flying all over the room or anyone marred by their flight. Number 2. Fun Express Flip-Flop Garland. Add a splash of vibrant color and tropical flair to your next island-themed celebration. This festive garland is the perfect way to set a fun and lively mood. Featuring eye-catching colors and fun tropical patterns, it's designed to instantly liven up any space. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your party atmosphere. Made from durable paper, this garland is lightweight and easy to hang. It measures 7 feet long, providing ample decoration for your party venue. Each individual flip-flop cutout measures approximately 234 by 534 inches. These charming details add to the overall festive appeal. This product comes as one complete piece, making setup a breeze. Get ready to impress your guests with this delightful party decoration. What we like? Brighten up any party with this eye-catching flip-flop garland featuring tropical patterns and vibrant colors. It's a simple yet effective way to add a festive touch to your decorations. If you're planning a luau, beach party, or any island-themed event, this garland is the perfect hanging decor to set the mood. What people say? The product is great and works well. The design is very nice and functional. It has a unique feature that is very useful. Number 1. Fun Express Letters to Santa Kit. Writing letters to Santa has never been simpler. This kit provides everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find all the stationery essentials for your holiday correspondence. It's designed for convenience and creativity. With 24 pieces included, there's plenty for everyone to write their wishes. Enjoy the festive tradition with ease. Make this holiday season extra special by sending your heartfelt messages. It's a wonderful way to connect with the spirit of giving. Trust Fun Express for quality holiday products. This kit is sure to bring joy to your family's traditions. What we like? This kit makes writing letters to Santa incredibly easy for up to 24 children. It provides all the necessary stationery for a magical holiday tradition. If you want to simplify the process of sending letters to Santa and create a special Christmas memory for multiple kids, this all-in-one kit is ideal. What people say? This is a great addition to my classroom. The colors are vibrant and the size is perfect for little hands. My kids love playing with these. They are durable and have held up well to rough play. I was impressed with the quality of these toys. They are well made and seem like they will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.